Here are 7 good reasons why you shouldn't stop breaking wind. Number 3 is quite a surprise. There is hardly any topic more awkward than having a conversation about cutting the cheese. Most people feel very embarrassed when it happens and inform the ones surrounding them that in no time it will start smelling pretty bad. But this is in fact a completely normal body function that we all experience, and if you take a better look, you'll realize that it's actually really good for your health. Emitting gases isn't something to be ashamed of. In fact, it provides us with valuable information about what's happening in our body. 1. The first warning: no matter what you do, there is no way to completely get rid of the gases. But this is a good thing, because gases can tell you a lot about your health. Even when they make you uncomfortable, you should be thankful, since they are the first sign of various health problems. Strong smells, unusual pain and increase in gases frequency can all be signs of serious illnesses. If you often have these symptoms, you should pay a visit to your doctor's office. 2. Reduces swelling. We all have been there. You've just finished an enormous plate of delicious food and you lie down on the couch happy and weighing 20 kilograms more. But not only do you feel as your size has got 5 times bigger, but in fact that really happened. When a big amount of food is being digested at the same time, your body stores excess water and your bowels produces extra gas. If you let it out, your stomach will feel much better and it will be easier to fasten your belt. 3. The smell is a good thing indeed. Smelling your own farts is healthy. Several studies have proven there are components in your gases that protect you from harmful diseases. This is due to hydrogen sulfide, a chemical compound making your farts smell as rotten eggs. In large doses it can be toxic, but in small doses it can protect your cells and help you prevent heart attack. 4. It can help you determine your nutritional needs. Everyone knows the importance of good nutrition, but did you know that your gases can tell you what your diet is lacking in? Different types of food produce different types of gases, thus indicating if you're eating too much or too little of something. If you hardly ever break wind, your diet is probably lacking in fiber. The food rich in fiber are cereals, green vegetables and lentils. Too much red meat can make your gases smell bad, and it's a sign you should cut down on steaks and hamburgers. 5. Gases are a sign of good bacteria. Are you ready to face the harsh reality? Thin people pass gases more often than the fat ones and are happier. This is due to the fact that people with healthy diets usually ingest large amounts of fiber and eat more fruit and vegetables, thus stimulating the digestion. All these elements make more work for the good bacteria in our bodies, moving our digestive tract much more, which can lead to producing more gases. 6. Gases are healthy for our bowels. Have your parents ever told you to hold it in? The truth is, it's not very healthy keeping in the gases. This can often cause us pain, and if you don't let them out from time to time, your intestinal activity could be harmed, thus producing some very painful cramps. 7. It just feels good. Let's be honest, there are very few things in the world that feel better than letting out all of our gases. This is why it's so funny when someone just lets them out in appropriate circumstances, of course. Without a doubt, you'll blush with shame, but if you keep holding it in the whole time, you'll definitely feel worse. Now you have no reason left to endure the pain. Let it all out. This is really good news. Never again will I feel guilty for cutting the cheese. I hope these tips can help you. Do you know any other effective remedies which worked for you? Please share with us. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.